We are here at Electronic Factory Erlangen. Inspekto is an out-of-the-box solution from Siemens and visual inspection tool for detecting objects or identifying anomalies on different products.
One unique selling point of Inspekto is that it is super easy to use. You don't need an AI expert to set it up, and you also have a very intuitive user interface where you're guided through the steps from setting up the camera, configuring your parts, training your AI, and you are ready to go.
Typical use cases are the manual assembly cells, for example, typical packaging cells or where you have some mounting steps to do. The operator has to follow here a guideline, and then you can use now Inspekto for every attachment of, for example, some screws, some mounting plates, and you have here the quality inspection in place integrated in the cell.
Another use case is in our automated assembly line, where we check each product before it is shipped to our customers to assure perfect quality. The Inspekto system is checking each device if it was correctly assembled. If everything is fine, the robot is taking it from the conveyor belt and it is shipped to our customers. If there's a problem and some parts are missing or are not perfectly assembled, it goes automatically to our manual repair station. Our experiences with Inspekto are super good. It's easy to use, easy to set up, and performs really well. And now we are already evaluating new applications.